Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design Monogram logo from sketch. Though I don't need to sketch for Monogram logo, but I sketched the logo for remember the idea. So make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information you find it in the tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. There are all sketches of mine. Don't be shy if you are not good at sketch. Sketch the idea that pops into your head, so you can work on it later. I think this concept is more good than others. For my convenience I put only this logo, and cut out the rest logos. Okay, that's good. Now we will design the logo. We can design our logo on the sketch, and also can other site. I prefer other site because my sketch is not perfect, and I can easily design it other site. So first take line segment tool, and draw a line. Now copy the line by hold Alt, and take total 8 lines. You can take more lines. Because we just designed the N letter, not the circle. We will draw circle after design the N letter. Now select the lines, and copy it. For copy the lines, go Edit. And select Copy. And go Edit, and select Paste in place. Okay, that's good. Now rotate at 90-degree angle like that. Again copy the lines like that. You can also copy the lines shortcut by pressing Ctrl+C and Ctrl+F. Now rotate at 45-degree angle. Okay, that's good. Now we will design the N letter on the lines. We just did these N letter parts. Now select the lines, and take Shape Builder tool. And draw the N letter carefully like you sketch. Carefully fill up the N letter parts, otherwise your design will not be perfect. Okay, that's good. Now move the design above from the lines. Also increase the stroke color. I think this gap between two part of N letter is perfect. Now take Ellipse tool, and draw a circle. And increase the stroke color like that. And place the circle in the outside middle of the N letter. For perfectly placed middle, You need to group the end ladder parts, and select everything, make it middle align center like that. That's perfect now. But there is one problem, circle thick is not equal to end ladder part thick. So how can we equal the thing? First select the end ladder, and go Object, and select Path, and again select Outline Stroke. Now go Pathfinder, and make it united. Okay, that's good. Now select the circle, and select Path, and select Outline Stroke. And turn off the fill color. Now select the circle, and click the right button of mouse, and select Release Compound Path. Now we can increase or decrease the two circles individually. Take Line Segment tool, and draw a line equal to end ladder part width. And place the line circle middle like that. And if you need increase or decrease the outside line, do it. And this is how we can equal our design. Now select to circle, and change to fill color, and take Shape Builder tool, and remove the middle circle. Okay, that's good. Now select everything, and take Shape Builder tool, and delete the extra part of the design. Okay, that's good. Now we can make our design more professional by doing one thing, so let's do it. First select the design, and rotate it. Now take Rectangular tool, and draw a rectangular between the gap like that. Okay, that's good. Now again rotate the design like previous. Okay, that's good. Select the rectangular part, and rotate it 45-degree angle, and copy it another by hold Alt. Now go outline mode by pressing Ctrl Y. And place the rectangular part here like that. Be carefully when you are placing this. Okay, that's good. Now go back original mode by pressing Ctrl Y. Now select everything. And take Shape Builder tool, and delete these part like that. Okay, that's good. Now select everything, and go Pathfinder, and make it united. So friends, this is our tutorial. I think you have learned something from the video. If you need any help, you can comment. I will try to solve your problem in the next video. Also comment us what kinds of tutorial you want. Thank you.